ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high.
Hey kids, welcome back. Look at the mess. Very cool. We're going to go outside. I'm going to show you the new engine in the Rockstar, and we're going to fire it up, hopefully, and do not a total break-in, but I'm not going to video all that, but I want you to see it. The reason I'm starting the video in here is because we're having 25-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, and I apologize in advance if the camera sounds like a bag of ass. So, here we go. We are going to take a look at the new high-performance short stroke, high velocity stack, 30cc engine that we got in this guy. So let's take this off. There she is. So what I did, I ended up putting the race clutch in. The guy I had it from before took the clutch out, and it's a complete pain in the ass to launch by yourself. So I put the clutch back in. It's not as fast out of the gate, but I don't care about that. I'm not racing anybody. We got the cooling lines coming in from the rudder, which I have my hose adapter hooked up to right now for water cooling. Normally it goes into the rudder, goes up to the head, out here. Then we have an underneath pickup that goes into the tune pipe sleeve right here, then out through the exhaust block manifold, then out the other side. That side we're not going to cool because we're not going to be running this thing fast or full throttle in the yard here. I did go back to a conventional pull start because, quite honestly, the pulley start thing that uses the belts is a pain in the fucking ass. I really don't like using it if I don't have to because it's just more batteries you have to charge, more shit you have to bring with you, and if your engine is working right and tuned right, you should start up on 2 or 3 pulls. So let's see what happens. I will fire up the water cooling in a minute. We'll get it going first. Make sure everybody's functional. Okay, and we do have the high velocity carb intake here, which is cool, and I went with an engine with a choke because, honestly, it's a pain in the ass starting an engine without a choke. These model engines are touchy. It's just, the other one was chokeless and fucking hated it. So we're gonna prime it 3 times maybe, turn the choke on, and it's probably going to get very loud here. Once it fires up, we will go ahead and fire up the water a little bit. We fire up the water, it looks like this. See, peas on you. Yeah, that's about it. We're going to let it warm up, and I'm going to give it some revs, and that's going to be it. It's not going to be much of it's not going to be a big video, but I just wanted you guys to see the engine. So we're going to pull it till it sounds like it's going to start on choke. We'll turn the choke off, and hopefully it runs. I have not hooked up my kill switch yet, so I have to block the carb. No big deal. Good enough. Let it warm up. Have to change my idle. That rattling you're hearing is the clutch. Yep, we got to change our idle a little bit. So, but aside from that, we'll let it get warmed up, and then I'll set the idle. But other than that, that is it. So, see how nice that started? Nice, perfect, easy. I have not tuned it yet, obviously, because it's not even broken in. So, it's going to sound a lot meaner and cooler than that. Right now, it's running really, really rich because it's a brand new engine. So, until next time, kids, hopefully, I'm going to try, if it's a nice day tomorrow, without tornado-like winds, I'm going to try and get this in the water and at least do a break-in run. So I'll try to video that. Keep your shiny side up. Bye.